Hello everybody, my name is Richard Lally and I'm a research scientist with Alltech. Today we're going to do some science from home. Today we're going to be looking at a very basic experiment that lets us demonstrate atmospheric pressure. And atmospheric pressure, essentially, it's all that is the pressure that's exerted on everything that is within Earth's atmosphere. So today, all we need for our experiment is water. So the first thing we're going to do is put the drop of water into the can. And I'm using approximately 50 ml. Now I've let my can sit on my element here for about 5 to 6 minutes. I can hear it bubbling now and I can see the steam rising up out of the can. So when you're doing this at home, just make sure you give yourself plenty of time and the experiment will be ready to finish your experiment as soon as you see the steam or the water vapor billowing out the top of the can. So as soon as we see that, what we're going to do is take our tongs, and remember this is very hot, so be very careful, and you might need parental guidance for this part of the experiment, or you might need a parent to help you. But what we want to do is we want to grab the can as quick as we can and cap it. So here we go, let's see what happens. Wow! So we can see here that the can has been crushed, or it has been imploded, and essentially what's happened here is the pressure from the atmosphere around the can crushed the can. But how exactly did this happen? Well, it's very simple. All that happened was when the water heated up, the water filled the space inside of the can and pushed all of the air out of the can. This meant that the pressure on the outside of the can was greater than the pressure on the inside. So when we capped the can, all of those water molecules condensed and shrunk, and the atmosphere outside the can, the atmospheric pressure outside the can closed in on the can and imploded it or crushed it. So there you go, a very simple work from home experiment. I hope you give it a go yourself, and again, I hope you have fun doing the science from home.